Okay, hey class, we are going to use this video to walk you through D2L, Desire to Learn. So here is the course right here. What I want to run through in this video is Content tab. There might be a little bit in Assignments. We'll look at Discussions and Grades. The important one is the Content tab, so follow me here. On the left-hand side is the column that has most of everything that's interesting for you. The Getting Started tab, of course, has the syllabus, tips of success. You can click into any one of these and follow that. The next tab over here is MindTap Cengage. Cengage MindTap registration. The help links, there's a little video to help get you started, so you can click through any of these videos and learn about that. I also put the first chapter there just to show that you're in the right place. The next tab along this side is the Project Assignment tab, which this is a summary of all the assignments. As you know, there's a Microsoft Teams that has much of the assignment. There will be another video for that, okay? Continuing down here, we have the first week, and every time a new week comes up, check the dates, make sure you're in the right week, and go right to a little bit of an overview right here, and then some objectives that we're looking at. There will be a to-do list for each week. I usually start off with the discussion question, and this is a link that puts you straight to the discussion question. Here is the chapter, here is a practice test, and here is a quiz. Let's go to week 3. Same stuff, a little bit of an overview, some objectives, a to-do list. You can run through this list and start checking off what you need to get done. And below that will be the reading. Go right to the reading. Here's the practice test, the quiz. And again, week 4, week 5, every week you're going to see something that explains kind of where we're at, a few reminders, what's happening, and then the to-do list. In the discussion question, there will be the chapter, the test, and the quiz. So that runs all the way through week 15, the Content tab. The next tab is the Assignments tab. Occasionally I'll put reminders up there. The important one I wanted you to understand and take a look at is the discussion list. The order could change on some of these questions. Sometimes there's a lot of them. I move the current one up to the top. Here's requirements for discussion, and here is week 1. Your thoughts on project management, and what you're doing is you're replying through this tab right here. You put in your thoughts, make your comments, and that's that discussion for the week. Then you have week 2. Here's the link for where you would make your reply and reply to others. Let's see, the other thing is just the grades. There's not much to see here right now. There aren't any grades in, so there's not much to look at. Once you get yourself looking at that, you'll be able to see what the grades look like that. I can show you what a student might see for grades. We switch to student view, and this is what you see. And this is a little bit different than what teachers see. So that's what grades look for a student. So that's it.